How can I define due dates for my jobs in LISTSERV Maestro? In the previous tutorial, we examined how to best use the team collaboration feature, which allows teams of all sizes to collaborate and work together on email marketing campaigns. When you have a lot of active jobs that you're working on at the same time, another useful tool that you can take advantage of is due dates. To see all of your active jobs, open the main menu and go to Mail Jobs. Then right-click on the job for which you want to define a due date and select Job Properties. Locate the line that says Authorization Due By and enter a date and time for when the job needs to be finished, scheduled, and authorized for delivery. Then do the same thing for the rest of your active jobs. Now when you go to the dashboard, you will see a section titled Jobs Due Next that lists all of the active jobs in the order that they need to be finished. This will make it easier to set priorities and to locate jobs that require immediate attention. All users who are defined in the team collaboration settings for a job will see the same priority list on their dashboards when they log in, making it easy for teams of all sizes to work together effectively, even in complex environments with a lot of concurrent mail jobs. Thank you for watching.